Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a hot topic that's been causing a bit of confusion in the tech community. The difference between Microsoft Copilot and Copilot for Microsoft 365. Let's start by discussing Microsoft Copilot. This AI companion is available to almost all users who have a Microsoft account. It can be found directly in your Edge browser and is a game changer for your regular online interactions. Yes, it also works with Chrome. What's cool is how it integrates generative AI, offering a ChatGPT-like experience but with a twist. It's contextually aware of what's happening in your browser. This means it can be your sidekick for generating images, drafting emails, or even summarizing complex documents, all while keeping your data protected, especially if you're using it with a business account. Now let's go on to Microsoft 365 Copilot. Things start to get extremely intriguing at this point. Consider it as an AI personal assistant that has access to all of your documents, emails, and scheduling information. It is a part of the Microsoft ecosystem and may be found in Word, PowerPoint, Teams, and other products. Because of this degree of integration, it can help you with chores right within these apps, which will save you a ton of time and work. Additionally, Copilot Studio caters to individuals who enjoy personalizing things. Here's where you may customize AI experiences to suit your personal requirements. You may be creative and individualized with Copilot Studio regardless of whether you have a Microsoft 365 Copilot license. So there you have it. If you've got more questions or want to see more content like this, let us know in the comments below. And before you go, please hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.